Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English with Lily and Mateo.
Hi, Lily. Hi, everyone.
How are you today, Mateo?
I'm great. I want to buy something today.
Ooh, perfect. Today we are talking about shopping, going to a store.
Shopping. Yes, I love shopping.
Let's start with some simple words. Repeat after me. Store,
Store.
shop,
Shop.
money,
Money.
price.
Price.
Great. Now let's learn how to ask for a price. Repeat after me, everyone. How much is it?
How much is it?
One more time, slowly. How much is it?
How much is it?
Okay, let's imagine we're in a clothing store.
Okay, I need a t-shirt.
Let's practice. Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. I want a t-shirt.
What color do you like?
I like blue.
Here is a blue t-shirt.
Nice. How much is it?
It's $15.
$15. Okay, I'll take it.
Excellent. Let's repeat some clothing words. T-shirt,
T-shirt.
pants,
Pants.
shoes,
Shoes.
dress,
Dress.
hat.
Hat.
Now, colors. Repeat after me. Red,
Blue.
green,
Yellow.
black, white.
Red. Blue. Green. Yellow. Black. White.
Very good, Mateo. Now, small sentences. This hat is red.
This hat is red.
The t-shirt is blue.
The t-shirt is blue.
The shoes are black.
The shoes are black.
Let's move to the grocery store now.
Oh, I'm hungry already.
Okay, let's buy some food. Repeat after me. Apple, banana, bread, milk, eggs, juice.
Apple. Banana. Bread. Milk. Eggs. Juice.
Perfect. Let's practice a short conversation. Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. I want some bread.
Here you go. Anything else?
Yes, I want milk, too.
Okay, bread and milk. Anything else?
No, thank you. How much is it?
It's $10.
Here you are.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Bye.
Great, Mateo. That was perfect.
Thank you, Lily.
Let's practice numbers. We always need them in stores. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Now bigger numbers. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Great pronunciation. Now let's make some sentences. It's $5.
It's $5.
It's $20.
It's $20.
It's $100.
That's too expensive.
Yes, it is. When something is cheap, we can say, it's cheap.
Cheap.
When something costs a lot, we say, it's expensive.
Expensive.
Let's practice. This apple is cheap.
This apple is cheap.
This phone is expensive.
This phone is expensive.
Great! You're learning fast, Mateo.
Thank you. I like this lesson.
Let's review everything we learned today. Today, we practiced shopping words, store, shop, money, price, clothes, t-shirt, pants, shoes, dress, hat, colors, red, blue, green, yellow, black, white, food, apple, banana, bread, milk, eggs, juice, prices, cheap, expensive, numbers, 1 to 100.
That's a lot of English.
Yes, and you did great. Everyone listening, try to repeat these words again later. Practice at home. Imagine you are shopping in English.
And don't forget to say please and thank you.
Yes, always be polite. Thank you for listening, everyone.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.